Imagine that right now there is a world that looks exactly like ours, but it is darker, quieter, and something feels wrong, just like in Stranger Things. But what if I told you that science might have an explanation for this, and it might be even more disturbing? Scientists have an idea that our universe is not the only one. It is called the multiverse. Physicist Hugh Everett suggested that every decision you make creates a new world. So maybe there is a version of you who made a different choice today, and another one who never clicked on this video. And all of these worlds exist at the same time. At the smallest level, reality does not behave normally. A particle can exist in multiple places at once. This is called superposition. It means something can exist in many versions at the same time. But when you observe it, reality has to choose. Or does it? What if it does not choose just one? What if all possibilities happen? You might be wondering why we cannot see these other worlds. The answer is something called decoherence. When reality chooses, the other possibilities separate from us. It is like you split into two versions, but each version can never see the other. They are right next to each other, but they never meet. And now something even stranger. Some theories suggest there are more dimensions than we can see. Imagine an ant walking on a rope. To you, the rope looks like a simple line, but the ants can move around it. That is an extra dimension you cannot see. In the same way, entire worlds could exist right next to us, but in a different dimension. So how could we get there? In Stranger Things, they have portals. In real physics, we have something else. They are called wormholes. Imagine a piece of paper. Point A is here and point B is here. Normally, you would travel a long distance to get from A to B. But what if you fold the paper and the 2 points touch? Now you just make a hole through the paper and you are there instantly. That is a wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. Scientists call it an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Sounds amazing, but there is a problem. These tunnels are extremely unstable. They would collapse almost instantly. And to keep them open, we would need something called exotic matter. Matter that behaves opposite to everything we know, and right now, we cannot create it. So even if wormholes exist, traveling through them is still impossible. So no portals? Maybe not. But that does not mean these worlds do not exist. So is the upside down real? According to science, maybe. But so far, we have no proof. Now imagine this. Somewhere there is a world exactly like ours, and someone in that world is wondering if ours exists. The real question is, which one is real?